how to add animations to text or objects in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll show you how to add animations to text and objects in PowerPoint. Animations make your slides more dynamic and help you control the flow of information, but they are very easy to do. So let's dive right in. Open up your PowerPoint and then go to the slide where you want the animation. Now select the text box. Just select the text that you want to put animation in. And then you will see animations on the ribbon bar. Go ahead and tap on it. And here you'll see a gallery of different animation effects like appear, fade, fly in, float in, and many more. So with the object selected, just click the animation that you want to, and then you can even see the preview here. So hit preview and then just go to the animations and just preview it all and choose the animation of your choice. Now, if you have multiple objects, you can animate them one by one. You can go to another text and give a different animation to another text. And then a quick tip is avoid using flashy animations. Stick to subtle ones. However, if you want more animations, you can just tap on the drop down, and here you'll find various lists that you can choose from. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.